Hello everyone, welcome back to our QGIS tutorial video. We have already discussed what raster data are in our previous tutorials. So in this video, we will show you how to load raster data, clip raster layers and create contour lines. Now let's first load the administrative boundary of the Kathmandu Valley through Add Vector Layer option. I'll make it transparent. Raster data can be loaded with the same methods that we used for vector data. So let's load the digital elevation model DEM that we downloaded from USGS. If you haven't downloaded the DEM layer yet, you can follow our previous tutorials. DEM is a raster file that is represented using pixels with different values. Now let's see how the raster layer can be clipped. So first of all, why do we use the clipping option? We often download a dataset that is larger than the area we need. This will slow the processing time and make the map look cluttered. So for example, you downloaded DEM of the entire country but you only need that of Kathmandu Valley for analysis. So for this, go to Raster, put your mouse over extraction and then click on Clipper. In the input file option, verify the raster you want to clip. For the output file, click Select, find the working folder and name the output raster. So I'll name this DEM Valley and save. Now click on the mask layer and use the drop down arrow to select the layer you are masking and then click OK. So in this way, you can clip the required area. Now that we have clipped the raster layer, let's see how to style this layer. So for this, go to Layer Properties and then to Style. You can select the render type you want to work with. Let's select single band gray for now. When you load any raster layer, the default color gradient is set to black to white, where low pixel values are black and high pixel values are white. The most important is the contrast enhancement parameter, which is by default set to stretch to min max, meaning that the pixel values are stretched to the minimum and maximum values. Now let's see single band pseudo color. This will make the DEM look more colorful. You can set the color ramp as you like. For now, I'll select red to blue and then classify. Since I want to make the lower elevation blue and the higher elevation red, I will simply invert it and then apply. So you can clearly see here that the value of the raster property displayed in the map canvas, where blue stands for lower elevation to red for higher elevation. The next thing that we are going to discuss in this video is to create contour lines in QGIS. First of all, let me begin with what is a contour line. It is simply a line in a map connecting the points on a land surface that have the same elevation. To create a contour line from digital elevation model, we can use the contour tool from the raster menu. For this, go to raster, extraction and contour. The contour window will appear. Select DEM as the input layer. I'd like to select DEM of the Kathmandu Valley. Specify a path where you want to save this contour. I like to save this here. So interval between contour lines. Contour interval defines height interval between the line. For example, if a contour map has 10-meter interval, it means that the height difference between the adjacent contour line is 10 meter. For now, I'd like to set this to 50 meter. I like to check the attribute name and then OK. So if these settings are already set, you can simply click run in the background and you can see the output in the map canvas. Now the outputs are visible here. So yeah, so to know the elevation of the contour line, you can simply go to properties and you can label that with the elevation. This might take a bit. So that's all for this video. In our next video, we will show you how to convert your vector data to raster data and vice versa. So thank you for watching. You can get connected with us today through our website, email, Facebook page, Instagram, and please don't forget to subscribe.